I'll show you 2 easy ways to fix the insufficient system resources to complete the API error on Windows 11. Open the search menu, type CMD, and right-click on Command Prompt. Select Run as Administrator and, if prompted, choose Yes. Copy the command provided in the video description. Right-click the top bar of the command prompt window, select Edit, and choose Paste to run the command. This will launch the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooting utility. Click Advanced and ensure Apply Repairs Automatically is checked, then select Next. Follow any repair suggestions provided. Open the search menu, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Type sfc/scano and press Enter to start the system scan. Wait for the scan to complete, then close the command prompt and restart your computer. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.